Here are a few things that you should know this week, July the 21st, 2025, regarding the real estate market. First off, happy Monday to you, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Rainieri, but I go by Rainy like a rainy day, and I'm a realtor, a mortgage loan originator, a credit restoration specialist, and a HUD counselor, which means that I work and deal with all things real estate. And every Monday, I come on here really quickly to give you a quick update on what's going on in the market. So let's go ahead and talk about the interest rates. For our conventional 30-year fix, we're coming in at a 6.78. Now, that is a slight decrease from last week where we were coming in at a 6.83. For our FHA, we're at a 6.35 this week. On last week, we were at a 6.37. And then for our VA, we're coming in at a 6.36. On last week, we were at a 6.39. Now, if you are new to me, I like to definitely let you know that your particular interest rate may vary depending on your credit score, your debt to income, and other different factors related to your personal portfolio. But if you are looking to get approved for a first-time home, you're wanting to do a HELOC, or you want to refinance your home so you can save on your monthly payment, send me a DM. I would love to walk you through the process and help you along that journey. Next up, let's talk about this article that's been going on around social media. It states a Florida woman arrested and jailed for a week over brown grass, and her HOA was behind it. Now, this kind of hit really close to home, for one, because she is actually in Hillsborough County and she's actually in the Riverview area. But let me give you a quick breakdown. So it states that the woman, Miss Irina Green, she was arrested and spent the week in jail due to HOA violations regarding her lawn. It states that she ended up having a violation about her brown grass. She also got cited for a dent in her garage, as well as having dirty, mildew-covered mailbox. The HOA then came after her for having a commercial cargo van that was a lot like the other ones in the neighborhood. Now, it goes on to say that following the citations and after Ms. Green ignored the mediation request, the situation intensified and the HOA filed a lawsuit against her. She ended up representing herself in the courtroom, and she prepared a handwritten response, which was rejected by the judge and the HOA. It goes into saying that she missed her next court date, stating that she never received notification. However, the judge issued an arrest warrant, and Ms. Green spent 7 days in the Orient Road jail. Let me break this down. A couple of things. So I actually live in the HOA. I've heard various stories about different things related to HOAs and how strict they are. But I'm going to encourage you to do this. There cannot, will not, and will never be a change unless you, as homeowners, make sure that you are an active part of your